Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, well, we kind of got a new episode, new series kind of thing going where we're going to be bringing you Mike's customer projects that he's working on in the shop. As you guys know, UBT doesn't take any sort of outside work as it relates to working on customer trucks or anything like that, but Mike does at How's It Doing Garage. So he's our shop partner. He's the one that helped us build UBT K5, and we've become great friends, and he's working on some really killer projects here in our shop. So we'll be showing you guys today one killer project that he's working on, and I hope you guys are just as excited as we are about it. Mike, what are you doing, man?
Playing with this really expensive gas cap. This is a full GSI chassis for a 73 to 87 square.
Oh man.
That we're going to be building here in the shop.
So you got it going for a customer project. And what year truck you say it was?
This truck is going to be an 85.
85.
Yep. That's
killer. Well, we're going to obviously get this thing unloaded, unwrapped, and show these guys what it's all about. But man, this is really cool. Mike's been busy over this little COVID crisis.
Certainly ain't slowing down.
Ain't slowing down.
Spending all that stimulus.
And just in case you guys were wondering, that's the body. What's going on that chassis under all that. All right, so I'm gonna let Mike tell us all about what's going on here once we get this thing off the trailer. But man, what a work of art. I have to say GSI knows what's up.
So what we did is I called Scott over at GSI and told him what we were doing and figured out that this is what we're going to use. It's a GSI full chassis for a square body. Rack and pinion steering, sway bars front, CPP spindles. We're running AccuAir, full E-level on it with the Endo CVT tank, Curry 9-inch rear end with the big 35 spline axles, 370 gears, full spool in it. GSI fuel cell with the Aeromotive EFI pump in it. You know, parallel 4-link Watts, like all the good options you get from GSI, dual batteries. It's a fully optioned out chassis. We're gonna have big 13-inch Willwood brakes on it, 6-piston fronts, 4-piston rears, Ride Tech adjustable shocks all the way around on the truck also, and airlift airbags all the way around. Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
What are you doing for wheel and tire setup?
22-inch billet specialty sweeps.
Sweet. You doing 22 9s up front and
22 by 12s in the rear with a 4.5-inch backspace.
Sweet.
And like I said, we're gonna have a 7-liter LS motor going in this.
My goodness.
Naturally aspirated. We're not gonna do any kind of turbos or nothing like that on this build, but we do have some stuff in the works on another build we're gonna be doing with some supercharger action. But for this one, we're just gonna go NA on it. AZ Pro Performance stuff's going on it. We've got a ton of slosh tubs is going in it. You know, we've got some good people, some good companies are going to come on board and go into this truck. So
heck yeah, man,
it's gonna be sweet.
Well, I know you've been super excited about it. I'm certainly excited about it. It's very cool to have something like this in the shop that, you know, is going to make for a really awesome truck. And GSI, man, I got to say, this frame is just insane. I mean, it is literally insane. The craftsmanship is just next level.
Definitely sweet. Neighbors get down to the Luda.
Yeah, we got the neighbors getting down to Luda. Can't beat that. Man, cannot wait to see this come together.
Yeah, me too. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it sure is gonna be fun.
Yeah, especially when you have this canvas to start with. I mean, that is just a really, really cool truck.
We got something in the works for the chassis that's coming out of that truck, because we're not using, basically we're using the bed, the cab, the doors, the fenders, and the hood.
Yeah.
Everything else, we got something super special planned for
Yeah,
that.
we're gonna document that here, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
special.
that's gonna be on the UBT.
Super special. It's an 85 square. It's LS swapped, you know, blah, blah, blah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this body and we're gonna put it on that GSI chassis with some 22 by 9s in the front, 22 by 12s in the rear. Full big stroker, dart block, blah, blah, blah. Tons of stuff. Raised bed floor, tucked bumpers, full AccuAir, E-level, Cato interior. We're gonna pull out all the stops.
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, this is gonna be a nice truck.
Well, let's why don't we fire this thing up like it is and just show the folks what it's all about like it is.
Yeah, man. This is a super cool truck though.
Man, it really is. God, it's a beautiful truck. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of, I don't even know what we're calling it yet. I'm going to call it a look at what Mike's working on currently. So I don't really know exactly what we're going to call this segment, but I have a feeling this is going to become a recurring series since Mike is just really pulling in some cool stuff and got a lot of great friends that want him to build their trucks. And of course, UBT is going to be right here with a camera, with a wrench, whatever it takes to help him get it done. So we're really, really excited that we've got this kind of work in the shop, and a lot of that is because of Mike. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely stay tuned for more updates on this truck. Smash that thumbs up below the screen if you like what you're seeing, and let us know what your favorite part about the GSI chassis is thus far. Catch you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.